How you doing? My name's Mike Ulrich. I'm here today at MarineMax Venice. Today I'm standing aboard a 2023 Aviara 32 Outboard. Starting off right here at the transom of the boat, this one is going to be equipped with twin Mercury 300s in the Cold Fusion White. This boat does come equipped with joystick, autopilot, and skyhook. Phenomenal features. Right here on the transom, the first thing that people are going to notice is it's different than every other boat. They utilize this entire sun pad and transform it so you can use it in multiple different ways. You're hanging out at the sandbar, you've got these seat cushions that can be set up here so you're not leaning back. But if you want to lay back, you absolutely can, and drop it flat. They take it a step further with these bar stool pedestal seats that you'll see behind it. So instead of having just one group of people sitting here, you can pop it up and have two rows of people. It's great for when you're hanging out at the back watching the fireworks or anything like that. Follow me into the cockpit. Step down. It is a massive hardtop on this boat. Nice and tall, big. It does have a quick shade that's hidden right into the top up here that will deploy all the way back almost to the engines, putting the whole boat under shade. Set up for entertainment. This boat has nice cool touch technology. That is the seat cushions here. This is in the light gray. You're going to have cup holders all the way throughout. Clips audio that's going to be concealed behind that billet aluminum plate, which is a really cool feature. And of course, nice teak table for entertainment. Over here, you're going to have a wet bar scenario set up. Over here on the side, if you take a look at that, that's actually 3 spots for wine racks. So this boat is certainly set up for entertainment and looking classy as you do it. Over here, you can get an option for a grill or just a nice little ice tray. And then below, you're going to have great storage. Dock lines in there and our boat cover at the moment. Take a look up at the helm. So the Aviara helm is very simple. Over here first, you're going to have almost like an iPad. This is going to control all of your major features on the boat, your lighting, your quick shade, your music, sound zone, all of that. Right here in the middle is going to be a 12-inch Simrad. Over to the side, you're going to have another 9-inch that you can use for your vessel view. Easy access to your trim tabs. And look at this. Nice cool spot for your phone. New Mercury throttles right below. Cool push to start, which I'm a great fan of. And of course your joystick that I mentioned. But below, what you don't see in a lot of boats are these 2 cup holders. These are actually cooled cup holders, so you can turn that on, put your drink in there, and it's going to stay chilled at all times while you're out on the water. Centerline head. Nice deep head compartment that's right in the bottom, so you can sit in there, comfortably do your business, and get on with the day. Taking it up into the bow. Deep walkway, so it's nice and safe for the family and kids. Stepping up here, more cup holders, your audio system. You're going to have controls for the audio located over on this side. You can skip the song, turn up the music, anything like that. Up on the front of the boat, you are going to have concealed up under here your anchor windlass setup. Nice shock assisted. It's going to have the great gasket all the way around, no rattle. Just look how nice and clean it is in there. Easy windlass controls located here with a washdown, and then you're going to have controls on the dash as well. Guys, I can't go everything on the boat with you, but if you want to come take a look at it, it's located right here at MarineMax Venice. Again, my name's Mike Ulrich. Thanks for watching.